Hello guys, welcome to another multiple choice question video on the YouTube channel Langlead Guide. I am Saurav Rokle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic The Swan Song on behalf of Professor Sunil Davkar and Professor Basaheb Rokle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the author of the one-act play The Swan Song? Options are A. Edward Albee, B. W. W. Jacobs, C. Samuel Beckett, or D. Anton Chekhov. Correct option is D. Anton Chekhov. Question number 2. The Swan Song was written in dash dash. Options are A. 1887, B. 1885, C. 1889, or D. 1895. Correct option is A. 1887. Question number 3. Who is the protagonist or hero of the play The Swan Song? Options are A. Nikitushka, B. Nikita, C. Vasily Sviatlovidov, or D. Othello. Correct option is C. Vasily Sviatlovidov. Question number 4. Who is Nikita Ivanich? Options are A. A young prompter, B. An old prompter, C. A young director, or D. An old director. Correct option is B. An old prompter. Question number 5. Who is Vasily Sviatlovidov? Options are A. 65-year-old comedian, B. 68-year-old comedian, C. 66-year-old comedian, or D. 63-year-old comedian. Correct option is B. 68-year-old comedian. Question number 6. What do you mean by Swan Song? Options are A. Melodious song, B. Musical song, C. Rhyming song, or D. Last performance. Correct option is D. Last performance. Question number 7. Who are the favorite playwrights or dramatists of Vasily? Options are A. Shakespeare and Shaw, B. Shakespeare and Arthur Miller, C. Shakespeare and Pushkin, or D. Shakespeare and Anton Chekhov. Correct option is C. Shakespeare and Pushkin. Question number 8. What is the setting of the Swan Song? Options are A. Country theatre, B. Country cinema hall, C. Country college, or D. Country church. Correct option is A. Country theatre. Question number 9. Where does Vasily fall asleep? Options are A. In balcony of the theatre, B. On roof of the theatre, C. Dressing room of the theatre, or D. On the stage. Correct option is C. Dressing room of the theatre. Question number 10. What makes Vasily fall asleep? Options are A. Influence of alcohol, B. Influence of overdiet, C. Overexertion, or D. Influence of medicine. Correct option is A. Influence of alcohol. Question number 11. How many years does Vasily spend in theatrical career? Options are A. 55, B. 45, C. 65, or D. 35. Correct option is B. 45. Question number 12. The play shows the despair, failure, and tragic story of Vasily's real life, glorious period of theatrical performance and the dash dash. Options are A. Destructive power of art, B. Glamour of stage, C. Uselessness of art, or D. Creative power of art. Correct option is D. Creative power of art. Question number 13. Why does young Vasily leave army? Options are A. Attraction of acting, B. Medical problem, C. Physical problem, or D. Family problem. Correct option is A. Attraction of acting. Question number 14. Who advises Vasily to give up the stage? Options are A. The prompter, B. The director, C. The producer, or D. His beloved. Correct option is D. his beloved. Question number 15. What was the last solo performance enacted by Vasily Sviatlovidov before leaving the stage? Options are A. Recites lines from Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus. B. Recites lines from Shakespeare's Much Ado About Nothing. C. Recites lines from Christopher Marlowe's The Jew of Malta. Or D. Recites lines from Shakespeare's Othello. Correct option is D. Recites lines from Shakespeare's Othello. Question number 16. Why does Vasily Sviatlovidov feel dismayed or discouraged or sad or unhappy? Options are A. Because he is old and alone. B. Because it is his last performance. C. Because he becomes very poor. Or D. Because he does not get any prize. Correct option is A. Because he is old and alone. Question number 17. How does Vasily Sviatlovidov describe the prime days of his glorious past? Options are A. He was a best football player. B. He was a good director. C. He was a bodybuilder. Or D. Praised by his audience. Correct option is D. Praised by his audience. Question number 18. What does Vasily Sviatlovidov's views on old age? Options are A. It is nothing but death. B. It is not burden or hurdle if you want talents and genius. C. Body becomes very weak. Or D. Nobody takes care. Correct option is B. It is not burden or hurdle if we have talents and genius. Question number 19. How does the audience bid farewell to Vasily Sviatlovidov? Options are A. Give him Best Actor Award. B. Give him a bag of huge amount. C. Enthusiastically call his name 16 times and offer garlands. Or D. Dance with him. Correct option is C. Enthusiastically call his name 16 times and offer garlands. Question number 20. What kind of irony is used in this play? Options are A. Dramatic irony. B. Verbal irony. C. Situational irony. Or D. Spiritual irony. Correct option is A. Dramatic irony. Question number 21. Who are Yegorka and Petrushka? Options are A. The director of theatre. B. The manager of theatre. C. Members of theatre. Or D. Superstar of the play. Correct option is C. Members of theatre. Question number 22. Whom does Vasily Sviatlovidov call a rat of the theatre? Options are A. Yegorka. B. Petrushka. C. Nikita. Or D. Mary Andreev. Correct option is C. Nikita. Question number 23. Which short story of Chekhov was adapted into the play The Swan Song? Options are A. Kalkhaz. B. The Seagull. C. The Cherry Orchard. Or D. The Three Sisters. Correct option is A. Kalkhaz. Question number 24. According to Sviatlovidov, two things cannot exist together. They are dash dash. Options are A. Property and beauty. B. Youth and popularity. C. Old age and genius. Or D. Childhood and opportunity. Correct option is C. Old age and genius. Question number 25. The phrase swan song is metaphorical and it refers to the dash dash given by a person just before retirement. Options are A. Final performance. B. First performance. C. Top performance. Or D. Poor performance. Correct option is A. Final performance. Question number 26. Death and old age, reminiscence and regret, attitude of the society towards acting, his career, disillusionment and false ideals, alienations and suffering are the dash dash of the play. Options are A. Tones. B. Different titles. C. Moods. Or D. Themes. Correct option is D. Themes. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.